Hi everybody, this is PookiesRevenge, and today's tutorial will be on exponential moving averages. Exponential moving averages are calculated with more weight being given to recent price action rather than being equally distributed in the way simple moving averages are calculated. This added weight in the calculation means it is more reactive to changes in price action. The easiest way to think of this is to imagine pretending to throw a ball and having a dog chase it regardless of whether or not it was actually thrown. The dog is just going to impulsively react and chase that ball. Similarly, the exponential moving average reacts to the price. This of course can lead to more fakeouts and bad entries, so it should not be relied on solely as with any indicator. In order to use the exponential moving average, or EMA, we need to add it to our chart. In Webull, we can click the Indicators tab up here, and it will appear under EMA. If you do not see it on the short list, you will need to click the All dropdown and it will appear under the main chart since it is plotted directly over price action. So main chart, EMA, these are alphabetically listed, so you click the one that starts with E. We can use the EMA indicator in the same ways as the simple moving averages, but many traders prefer to focus on crossovers for intraday trading. One popular strategy is to add 3 EMA lines with lengths of 5, 8, and 13 and use their cross-up as a confirmation to take their entry and to hold the trade as long as the lines are stacked bullish, exiting when they cross down. In this case, we have a cross-up right here, and we would still be holding this position. Many traders prefer to use simple moving averages on higher time frame and exponential moving averages on smaller time frames due to the stable versus reactive nature of the two different averages. It is not necessary or purposeful to use both simple moving averages and exponential moving averages at the same time, as this tends to clutter up the chart. Less is more. As with the simple moving averages, we can change the lengths and colors as well. We can also use them as filters, dynamic support and resistance levels, and look for crosses for our trading strategies. Many options traders also prefer to use the exponential moving averages due to the quick changes in volatility for options trading. As always, we should use indicators like the exponential moving average as a final confirmation for what we're already seeing, rather than blindly trading based on the indicator itself. This is PookiesRevenge, and I hope this video helped. If you would like to learn more about trading, join our community. We offer the Pennybois University, a multi-week trading education course, live trading, and tons of alerts, as well as the Pennybois Advanced when you're ready to take your trading to that next level. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.